Hello and welcome to 365 Days of Excelling with Clive. This is day 15 and today we are looking at how to attach objects in your Excel document. Here I've shown an example of attaching a PDF file in my Excel document so that when I want to see what the supporting documentation for this 34,000, what I can do is I can open it by double clicking. So here's the total for Andrew. This is the supporting documentation. So this can be an invoice you want to attach in your calculations or any supporting documentation you want to attach in your calculations. So how do you attach a document? To add an attachment, you go to Insert on your Insert tab if you're on home. You select your Insert tab. Then you go to the far right and you select Object. Here there are quite a number of options. You can select a number of things. You can insert different things here. You can scroll and see whatever you can be able to attach here. But for me, I want to create from file. So I want to attach a particular file. Then I can say browse. I can enter the address here or I can say browse. Then I can choose where my file is. So I know it's in day 15 here. So I want to enter a file for Donald. So I select the supporting document for Donald. Then here I can choose what I want to do. Do I want to add link to the file? It explains here what a link to the file is. Or do I want to display an icon only? So I want to display an icon. I don't want to link to the file because I want to be able to send this Excel spreadsheet to someone and they should be able to find this document within the within my Excel document. So I just display as an icon. Then I can say, you can also say change icon, but I'm not going to do that. I'll just say okay. Then here it adds an icon for Donald. The moment I save, it will change the icon to look like a PDF. It will identify what type of a file it is, and it will change the icon to look like the icon for that particular type of a file. So you can see once I save, it now shows that it's a PDF file. And I can open it to see what's in the attachment. So here it is. It's opening. I have added it to my document. And look, I can delete it from the original folder. I can then go and delete all these. But before I delete, I just want to show you that I've attached all these 4 files. And you can see it's 400, 400, 400, 400. That's 1,600 kilobytes. But here the total Excel file is 1,500, which is even less than the individual file. So I have also saved some space there. Let me just delete these files. Open again my Excel document. And look, if I open this attachment, it still opens, or any of these attachments, they still open, even though I've deleted from the root folder I've taken them from, because they are contained within this document. There you go. So you can make use of this to attach supporting documents within your calculations, so that whoever is reviewing your calculations don't even need to leave your Excel document to go somewhere else to see the calculations. They can just see the supporting documents within your workbook. Thank you. Enjoy, guys. Bye-bye.